Hey, good afternoon, everyone. First Alert Storm Team meteorologist Joseph Williams with your VNN News Now afternoon forecast. We basically another chilly day in our hands, and it's going to get colder tonight. We are going to warm up heading into tomorrow afternoon and evening, but we are First Alert tracking a winter system that will bring some snow accumulation in parts of our region. So let's get right to the forecast to kind of show you what I'm talking about. Again, looking at a quiet afternoon, we're seeing sunny skies across most of our region. We did have some patchy blowing snow due to strong northerly gusts this afternoon, but the winds are dying down, so that blowing snow threat is going away. And overall, looking at a quiet evening ahead of us. However, I want to first alert you to the fact that it is cold out there. Single-digit temperatures across our region. In fact, we're seeing 0-degree readings in Langdon and Devils Lake, for example, and it's only going to get colder still as we head into tonight. Because of those northerly winds and because of those single-digit air temperatures, that combination is leading to wind chills in the teens below zero across our entire region, and even 20s below zero in some spots. And again, it's going to get colder still as we head into tonight. Overnight into Monday morning, we're looking at scattered clouds across the region with air temperatures below zero. And, you know, that combination, those clear skies and light winds, that's going to lead to those cold temperatures heading into Monday morning commute. Now, by tomorrow afternoon, we'll see the winds picking up from the south-southeast, gusting around 20 to 30 miles per hour, and that's going to lift warm air to a region, raising temperatures into those teens and 20s. And at the same time, we're looking at a mix of sun and clouds across the region. So we're going to be on the, I say, quote-unquote, mild side compared to the past couple of days, but it's still going to be cold out there. Make sure to bundle up. Now, tomorrow night, we will see, precipitation is starting to move into our region, but we're also looking at temperatures climbing into the 20s in some spots tomorrow night, too. Now, again, here's a look at temperatures. Tomorrow morning, single digits below zero across our region for the air temperature. Wind chills in the teens and 20s below zero, like 24 below in Grand Forks, 18 below in Fargo. So definitely make sure to wear a couple layers to protect yourself from the cold. By tomorrow afternoon, warm air is lifting into a region, and that raises air temperatures into the teens and 20s, with wind chills actually getting above zero by tomorrow afternoon. So we'll be warmer, but still going to be a little chilly out there. Now, the reason for those strong southerly winds and that warm up tomorrow has to do with this low pressure system out to the west of us. This low pressure system we're tracking because on top of warming us up, it's going to bring some shower activity tomorrow night into Tuesday, and it's actually going to be our next weather maker as a result. I've designated this as our next weather maker, a weak clipper system, which is basically a fast moving low pressure system from Canada, and that's going to bring some snow accumulation in the northern areas and some mix down south. So let's first alert time this system out on our first alert forecast here. Starting the clock at 6 p.m., we'll start with cloudy, dry conditions in the northern plains around 6 p.m., but by around 9 to 10 o'clock, we're seeing a few showers moving into the northern valley of northwest Minnesota. May see a couple of snowflakes in Lake of the Woods County and Beltrami County by around 9 to 10 o'clock ahead of this low pressure system. And then as we head into the overnight hours, because of this warm front, temperatures will actually get into the 20s across much of our region, and that could allow for some wintry mix in the central and southern valley. And meanwhile, northwest Minnesota will end up seeing snow accumulation take place. So we've got some dynamic showers setting up across our region overnight into Tuesday morning. Now, notice that by around the 5 to 6 o'clock hour, we're basically dealing with snow across northwest Minnesota, and thereafter the snow moves out of our region by around 8 to 9 o'clock, leaving behind scattered clouds for the rest of tomorrow for the rest of Tuesday afternoon. So how much snow are we anticipating? Well, models vary on where the heaviest snow is going to be at. So this is just one example. This is the graph that we're taking a look at, our in-house model, suggesting a few inches of snow accumulation, maybe up to 3 inches in parts of Lake of the Woods County, maybe 1 to 2 inches in northwest Minnesota. So I'm thinking about 1 to 3 inches of accumulation in northwest Minnesota, and maybe a couple tenths of an inch in northeast North Dakota. So basically, the further northeast you go, the more snow you end up seeing. The further southwest you go, the less snow you see. And instead, the southwestern portions of our region, such as southeast North Dakota and the Red River Valley, those areas may see a glaze of ice. So I've not declared a first alert weather day because we've dealt with these kinds of impacts, before, but I am first alerting you to some slick travel heading into your Tuesday morning commute. There could be some impacts with that. We're also tracking some strong winds heading into Tuesday, seeing wind gusts in the 30-plus mile per hour range throughout much of Tuesday morning and afternoon and even Tuesday evening. It's not until Tuesday night that the winds end up dying down. So overall, going to be a bit windy tomorrow. It's going to be a bit windy Tuesday, and we're also looking at some showers heading into Monday night and Tuesday. Keep the VNL First Alert Weather app handy as we First Alert track those showers. In the long term, we're looking at some on-again, off-again shower chances for the rest of the last week of February. So again, keep the VNL Weather app handy as we get to that. But basically, it means that we're looking at temperatures staying in the teens for the first half of the work week, with those showers rolling through Monday night into Tuesday, maybe a few more showers on Wednesday as well. Towards the latter half of the week, we do warm up into the 30s, but then we'll stay in the 20s and 30s as we continue into the first few days of March, about average for this time of year. I'm going to get off of here, but I will be giving updates on the VNL First Alert Weather app, and I'll be on Valley News Live at 9 and 10. So make sure to tune in to get your First Alert updates there. And I'll also go over tonight and tomorrow in more depth later on this evening, so stick around for that. But in the meantime, getting off of here, thank you so much for watching. Have a safe Sunday evening.